Hello all, welcome to my channel Arya and Harika. In this video we will see the book bag exercise of lesson number 17, Siriya Uruvam Periya Ulagam. I'll explain in English and difficult words in Telugu. I have written the English script under the Tamil words. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. Payirchi. Payirchi means exercise. First section, padiddu palaguga. Padiddu reading, palaguga practice. Practice reading. First one is udal body, adrandadu shocked. Body is shocked. Next one, maradadiyil. Maram means tree. Adiyil means under. Under the tree. Next one, tadumarinal means she stumbled. Tanu tadabadindi. Sattendru suddenly. Kattikondu screaming, shouting loudly. Arustu. Viyandavaru surprisingly. Ascharyanto. Tenikal honey bees. Next section is Eluddi writing palaguga practice. Practice writing. First word Erumbu putru ant hill. Chimala putta. Then koodu beehive. Thene pattu. Siragugal wings. Rekkalu. Marakkilai tree branch. Chettu komma. Neerodai water stream. Nadi pravaham. Next section is Poruddamana appropriate. Kuriyuduga codes. Select the appropriate codes. Sari correct. Correct means tick mark. Tavaru wrong. Wrong means into mark. We have to select for each sentence. First one, Erumbu putru ant hill periyadaga bigger valarandadu grown. Ant hill grown bigger. No, in this poem ant hill was very small. It was like a button. So wrong. Next one, Kanmani Erumbaga like ant Madrivittadu. She turned into an ant. No, she just came to ant's size. Neerodayil in the water stream. Vaathugal ducks neenduvadu swimming. Parthal she saw. No, fishes swimming she saw. Neeril in the water. Neenda vendum endru like to swim. Kanmani Ninaithal thought. Kanmani thought to swim in the water? Yes, she liked it. The last one is Kanmani Maradadil under the tree Amarandal sat. Kanmani sat under the tree. Yes, correct. So tick mark. The next section is Vaimoliyaga orally. Vidai answer Kuru create. Create the answer orally. Here are some questions. You have to answer it orally. First question is Kanmani engenge where all Central went. Where all she went and Enna vellam what all Parthal she saw. So where all she went and what all she saw. First she went to ant hill and she saw ants carrying food. Then to beehive and honeybees, and then on top of the tree and she saw fishes in the water. Next question, Kanmanikku for Kanmani ennenna what all Matrangal changes Erpattana happened. What changes happened to Kanmani? She turned to ant's size first and then she got wings like honeybees. Next question is Kanmayai pola like Kanmani Unakku for you. Engellam where all Sendru parka go and see. Sendru means to go. Asai wish where all do you like to go and see. Next section is Vidai answer. Elutuga write. Write the answer. The question is Kanmani engenge where all Central went. Where all Kanmani went. You have to write in the book. Next section is Padangalai pictures தொடர்பு படுத்தி corresponding கதை story உருவாகுக create the story with relation to the pictures given. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని పిక్చర్స్ ఇచ్చారు, దాన్ని యూస్ చేసి ఒక స్టోరీ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. In the first box we have 3 pictures, a boy, a dinosaur and a car. Using these 3 pictures, think and create a story. In the next box we have a monkey, a basket and fruits. The last box we have rat, snacks and cat. So you need to think and create 3 stories out of 3 boxes. And the last section is கதையை story கேட்டு listen. கதையை கேட்டு முடிவை conclusion மாற்றி change கூறுக create. Listen to the story and change the conclusion. Let's see the first story. In the first picture we can see lot of grapes, and in the second picture a fox passing by saw these grapes. What it did, it tried to pluck the grapes, but those are at very great height, so the fox could not pluck those grapes. So what the fox did, it convinced itself saying that those grapes won't be tasty, and it went away. Now you have to think and create a new conclusion for this story. Now let us see the next story. In the first picture, a dog found a bone to eat. Next, what happened? It was eating the bone and it felt very thirsty. It saw water and went to drink. There in the water, it saw its own image and thought some other dog is trying to take its bone. So it tried to beat the dog with the bone. Now the bone fell into the water and it lost its food. Now think of a new conclusion for this story. Hope you understood all the sections. Please let me know if you have any concerns through the comment section. Thanks for watching and happy learning.